Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we have a nice Pavoni. It's been years and years, hasn't been descaled or serviced. A long time actually. When I opened the boiler and there was a lot of scale, a lot of scale. So I did descale it after I took off the heat element so it's not damaged. Took a lot of scale and we switched all the gaskets, side glass, and everything, as you can see here. And it's working beautifully. Let's pull a shot. So I did put a lot of coffee because it's we do just a dark roast for trying the shots. It's brewing, as you can see, and there you go. Beautiful. So let's do the steam. Beautiful, strong steam. The machine is descaled, serviced, tuned up. Please subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. And come see our beautiful selection of coffee machines for sale. Thank you and have a great day. I gotta go. That's it. I reached my...
You forget you had to pull the lever down?
Told you, man, I even forget the mouse and